Well, I lost some video there the first time, so I wanted to come back here again and talk quickly and show everybody quickly a little bit of the area of my shop dedicated for blacksmithing, bladesmithing, pounding steel. I can't really call myself either of those other than the fact that I'm starting to get into a little bit. This is a Little Giant 50-pound that I found in a shop still in Alberta, where a guy rebuilt it, I don't know, 15 years ago, and it sat in his shop, not used. Happened to drive by one day and saw it there and got talking to him. He used it for forging beat blades years ago as a kid. When they changed the design of the beat blades, he couldn't do it anymore, so something about the steel. Anyways, I just had to put a new set of dies on it, as you can see. A little bit of a chip out there, but really the base was really solid and flat, so didn't have to do much on that. Here's my 50-ton, I guess it's more about a 35-ton, it's scaled down. Little Crush press designed by Jim Clow at JC Welding, a friend of mine. You'll see that all the dies are on the side of it. Really nice design. Hydraulics, I have to give kudos to my friend Cal, who's the master at hydraulics design. Beside that, I have a rolling mill that I designed. Really does a trick when it comes to flattening metal consistently. That thing, I have a video of it like working here in the next couple weeks or months as spring arrives. Power pack. It's actually quite a large power pack for what I use it for. However, the price was right when I picked it up. It's got an industrial 5-horse. It's a monster motor. I do have a 10-horse in my other shop, but it's 3-phase and I don't have a converter out here big enough to run it. So until then, I guess I'm stuck with this 5-horse. But it really, probably for learning, it's all I need at this point. A month ago, I picked up this 250-pound Fisher, 1914 stamped on the back side of it. It's got a few nicks on it. A friend of mine's going to resurface it soon, but it's really flat, and I don't think it's ever been resurfaced. Over here, another gift, a trade, a Peter Wright. It's not in greatest shape, but it works well. It's going to work well. Here's my quench tanks. I have two. One's Parks 50, the other one's just mineral oil with a heating element in the side. Just wanted to go and show everybody a little bit of this. I'm not sure if I touched base earlier, but again, this is my forges. One's a vertical, one's a horizontal. You'll see on this one here, no flux is used in it. Used just for blades. I got some cable in there, I can take it out. Here, vertical forge on a blower. I had to pick up a 100-pound propane tank. My 30 pounds, 20 pounds wasn't cutting it. And here's my salt pot. The pit controllers I build myself on a solenoid. I don't, as Ed Caffrey's mentioned many times, he doesn't think it's wise to have it on a forge, but on a pot, on a salt pot, having a solenoid maintain the constant temperature, or the proper temperature, longer. Thanks Jim Clough for welding that salt pot. It's welded like a tank. I will, there's my welders at 220s, Hobart 175 for what I do in my shop. It's more than sufficient. Signing off now. I just wanted to have everybody have a look at that part of my shop that I didn't get on the first or second video. Have a good day.